seven. I'm dipping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright guys, we here at Home Depot. I know we just jumped from like one store to another, but I want to kind of show y'all what we was working with. So y'all know I've been talking about getting an impact for a whole minute now. And I think I finally came down and I'm ready to make a decision. Based off of not what I think is best, you know what I'm saying, but what is best for my pockets. So let me show you what we about to get and the comparison and the other options we was considering. So as y'all know, I was considering getting, no, not that one. I was considering getting, no, not that one. Where is it at? Nope, that's not it. Alright, this one right here. Make sure it's the right one. I was considering getting something like this one. I believe 3/8 impact wrench, 210 torque. And I think this is like the smart one, the fuel one. I think it's like 179, 149? No, 179 should be that one right there. So, and I was really thinking about it, but I really want a 1/2 inch. You know, I was talking about I could put a adapter bit and then I could change it from 1/2 inch down to 3/8, and then we could be good like that. But unfortunately, I don't see the 1/2 inch joint for the fuel. Oh, well, see, this is the 1/2 inch, but this is a 249 big boy, 1,400 foot-pounds of nut busting torque. Boom! For $250, but we don't need all that. We good. So check this out. Being that we already got Ryobi, and I've been looking at the Ryobi tool. Where is it at? It's down here somewhere. Should have got some Ryobi brushless. I think the impact is over here. Slide on over here. So here we got 18 volt, 3-speed, 1/2 inch impact wrench, 300 foot-pounds of torque, 1/2 inch anvil, 3-year warranty, 3,200. Battery and charger sold separate, which is not an issue because we have a battery at the house. So I think I'm gonna give this a whiz, man. Just because I know that this one is not brushless. I do know that, but for 119 for impact, why not? We can make it a review. You know what I'm talking about? Go home, put it on that old what you call it, boat, that old harmonic balancer boat, man, and let's bust it open and see what it do. So let's go. Like I said, the 3/8 option, but I mean, for $79 for 119, it was 129. After our military discount, I'm not exactly sure how much it'll be, but you get like double the foot-pound of torque. We don't have to buy a battery with this either because we already have one. And then, you know, if we decide to keep rocking with it, then maybe we can, you know, upgrade. I believe we have the 3-amp-hour batteries. We should be fine for what we're doing. Yeah, so let's pick one up, man, take it to the crib and see what it do. Yeah, happy. So I go to the self-checkout, I get ready to check out. She's like, you don't have your veteran ID? And I was like, no, but it says veteran right on my ID card. On my driver's license it say veteran. And I was like, oh well, they changed it, they only take this now. So Home Depot, if you're watching this, that's a dumbass rule. You need to change that shit ASAP. I still got it though. Had to pay full price. Way to screw up the vets. This is the same place we came and bought the wood to build the table and shit. Came to pick up these bolts, man, to put this 6.0 on the stand. What you gonna want is 10.9, class 10.9. The pitch is gonna be 1.5, and the bolt size is M10. If you don't, I have heard that an 8.8 grade will work. Preferably, you want to get the 10.9 though, just because it's a stronger motor, whatever. So you wouldn't want it falling over, but I think either the 8.8 or the 10 will work just fine. So got 4 of them. The length that I went with was about 70, and that should be long enough and sufficient enough to hold it onto the stand. I want to say, just in case, that they have some washers. They have some open-ended washers in the events. In the event that these are too long, I think I'll be fine though. I prefer like the fully threaded joints, like these. I don't know that those would even be long enough though. Let's see this. I guess we can compare the size. I mean, it's not that much. It's a nice little gap between the two. You know what? This is what, $1.69 each. Let's get. So like I said, I really would prefer, obviously, a fully threaded bolt. So I'll grab both of them and see. So we'll take both of these home, and then we'll see whichever one is going to fit best for our application and what we're trying to do. As we are at the house with that new Ryobi 18-volt 3-speed half-inch impact. You know what I'm saying? 300 foot-pounds of torque. Got the lights on it and the 3-speed selector switch. So, just for shits and giggles, man, I wanted to take the Milwaukee and see what it would do. This is not made for this type of deal, but curiosity, and just shits and giggles. So, what we got here, 24 millimeter socket on a harmonic balancer bolt. Let's see what happens. I doubt it'll do anything, but we will see. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so not exactly sure what the torque specs is for this, but that's not going to do it. Like I said, just for shits and giggles, man, I wanted to see what happens. So let's put the Ryobi to the test. Also, look over here and double check something right quick. We're gonna turn it back on. Alright, so now, like I said, we're gonna bust out this Ryobi joint, man. Put this thing to work this morning. Our battery should already be charged. And we had them charged for, like I saw, this will be our second Ryobi tool to the family. Like I said early in the video, man, y'all know this is something I kind of been on the fence about, but I know that I needed it or wanted to get an impact, and now I got one. You know what I'm saying? Didn't go Milwaukee like I was thinking. Didn't spend almost $300 like I was thinking. So I think this might suit my needs, and as long as it can get off this harmonic balancer bolt, I think it will be what we need. So let's put it to the test and see what it does. Alright, so we're gonna have to move our little Milwaukee impact over to the side. Did a great job. Alright, so as you can see here, got the Ryobi battery. Push it to make sure it's all the way charged. This is a 3 amp hour. I believe it should be enough to do what we need to do. So let's see. A little torquey. I think it'll get the job done. This is a 1/2 inch, like I said, 300 foot pump. The torque. I did get the 1/2 inch because I knew that I could always adapt down, and that was the plan with it if we got the Harbor Freight one as well. So take that 24mm socket, stick it on here, and see what happens. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I mean, it took a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But it got the job done. Took a little bit, but got the job done. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So of course, you know, from there, we have our removal tool to get that balancer off. Where is it at? It's somewhere over here amongst the clutter. But that's gonna be another video, man. So it's your boy Alex254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Don't. Perfect. 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 Perfect.